And your overpriced satellite TV.
In my day, you had to walk uphill both ways to save money.
Sounds like a lot of hills back then. Now you could just...
Severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, east central San Bernardino County in southern California, until 8:30 p.m. PDT, or 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:23 p.m. PDT, or 7:23 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Topog, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 6:52 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, the Havasu Ross recorded a 62 miles per hour wind gust. Impact: expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Havasu City, Highway 95 at mile marker 29, Topog, Needles, Desert Hills, Arizona Village, and Mojave Valley. This includes the following roads: Interstate 40 in Arizona between mile marker 0 and 10. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 139 and 155. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. PDT for the following county: San Bernardino, California.
Hi. Hey, you.
Isn't it cute?
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah, simmer down now. Come on, simmer down. Market stops for no one.